What if we told you the jeans you're wearing were woven by robots? That's right. Your favorite denim is the result of high-tech precision, massive looms, and lightning-fast machines working around the clock. Welcome to the incredible world of robotic weaving factories, where denim comes to life stitch by stitch. In today's video, we're pulling back the curtain on the mesmerizing process of how denim jeans are made, from raw cotton threads to the rugged fabric we all love. You'll see how advanced machinery, automation, and human expertise come together to create one of the most iconic garments in fashion history. It all starts with high-quality cotton, which is cleaned and spun into strong, durable yarn. These threads are then dyed, often with indigo, in giant vats, using precision dyeing machines that ensure a rich, deep color. Next, the real magic begins. The dyed yarn is fed into robotic weaving looms, huge automated machines that interlace warp and weft threads at high speed. These looms can produce yards of denim fabric in minutes with remarkable accuracy. Once woven, the denim fabric undergoes processes like sanforizing to prevent shrinkage and distressing, giving it that classic worn-in look. Lasers, robotic arms, and finishing machines add those faded details and signature textures. Finally, the fabric is cut, stitched, and assembled into jeans by both skilled workers and automated sewing machines. Labels, buttons, and rivets are added, bringing the jeans to life, ready for store shelves. Enjoyed the journey through denim creation? Hit like, share your favorite jeans brand in the comments, and subscribe for more behind-the-scenes looks at how your favorite products are made. If you want to stay updated on the technology industry in your daily life, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.